Hello guys!
Good afternoon everyone. We are from Group 7, Linguistic of L3 class, which consists of Afif Mutar Jamil,
Virginia Moine Putri.
And my name is Alfi Batastia.
We would like to present our research titled Analysis of Video Advertisements on YouTube. We have collected 5 samples of advertisement from YouTube and we will discuss 3 aspects of linguistics.
The 3 aspects of linguistics that we are going to discuss today's discussion are pragmatic, semantic, and sociolinguistic. So without further ado, let's begin with the first discussion. The first sample is
Lineage Sleeping Mask video advertisement. A pragmatic is the purpose of the advertisement of the Lineage Sleeping Mask. From a pragmatic perspective is to encourage the target audience, young, active women, to purchase the sleeping mask to combat against and skin dullness. The advertisement aims to raise awareness among these women about the importance of caring for their skin to maintain its health and firmness, which in turn boosts their confidence. It implies that their beauty products are essential for active, soft, bunchy skin.
Next is semiotic. From a semiotic standpoint, the advertisement features Erika Ricardo, an active female content creator, to highlight the importance of skincare amidst a busy lifestyle. The advertisement's theme combines a soft pink and white color palette, symbolizing freshness, youth, and beauty. Additionally, the use of peony petals in the visual elements underscores the key ingredients in their products that help maintain women's skin firmness and health.
Okay, now we talk about the sociolinguistic aspect. In the sociolinguistic aspect of the advertisement, the phrase "kita semua punya kanvas masing-masing untuk mengekspresikan diri," which in English meaning we all have our own canvas to express ourselves, suggests that each woman has her unique way of representing herself. Furthermore, the slogan "Stay You, Stay Bouncy" and firm employs contemporary English, appealing to many young women who prefer products with English tagline.
Next is sample number 2, Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone series video advertisement. The advertisement is designed to highlight several features of the smartphone series. However, it conveys a deeper message for a price of 1,299,000 rupiah. Many people can access a wide range of useful features at an affordable cost. The target audience consists of mid to low income young people who are often looking for more value within their budget.
Next is semiotics. From a semiotics perspective, the advertisement showcases the phone's features through a clear picture taken by the device, symbolizing the quality of the phone's camera. Additionally, the prominently displayed battery bar represents the phone's long-lasting battery life. These visual signs emphasize the advantage of the Samsung Galaxy A04 series smartphone. The endorsement of a well-known young public figure, Al Ghazali, suggests that this smartphone is geared towards teens and young adults who actively engage in online gaming and mobile photography.
And now we talk about the sociolinguistic aspect. The sociolinguistic aspect is illustrated through the use of code mixing in the video's opening tagline, "Pasti Awesome," which combines Indonesian word pasti, meaning certainly, and with the English word awesome. The blend makes the tagline more appealing and modern, effectively promoting the product.
The third sample is Indomie Ramen series video advertisement. For a pragmatic perspective, the video advertisements aim to encourage viewers to try their latest Japanese cuisine-inspired flavored noodles. It conveys a broader message for those who crave Japanese ramen, suggesting they don't need to visit an expensive ramen restaurant or even travel to Japan to experience this culinary delight. The advert subtly indicates that the Indomie Ramen series offers an economical option to enjoy the taste of Japanese cuisine.
Okay, next is semiotics. The advertisement features a strong Japanese theme with elements such as people dressed in samurai attire and a backdrop mid Fuji. These visual symbols signal potential buyers that the Indomie Ramen series closely replicates the flavors of genuine Japanese cuisine. As a result, those who enjoy the noodles may feel as though they are experiencing Japan firsthand.
And now we talk about the social linguistic aspect again. The tagline used in the advertisement incorporate Indonesian slang words nagih and authentic, which mean craft more and authentic in English, respectively. This choice of language persuades the target audience with the product taste will leave them wanting more and feeling as if they are truly in Japan. Additionally, the inclusion of the Japanese word manzoku, meaning satisfied in English, adds a unique and original touch to the promotion of noodles with Japanese cuisine flavors.
For the fourth example is in free green tea seed skin moisturizer video advertisement. And the pragmatic is the advertisement video effectively communicates to its target audience that its products may appear similar to other skincare offerings. However, the key advantage of their products are that they keep the skin hydrated all day regardless of activity and help maintain a plump and healthy complexion while preventing strays. The first moisturizers increase instantly by 710%, suggests significant effectiveness, but it implies the results may vary based on individual skin types and age.
Okay, next is semiotic. The semiotic elements of the Innisfree Green Tea Skin Moisturizer advertisement can be observed through the visual showing Wonyoung, a Korean K-pop singer engaging in various activities. The use of emojis such as a shiny sun, hand gestures, and hearts in each frame conveys that using their products can make your day feel joyful and energetic. Wonyoung's endorsements serves a sign to boost brand awareness, particularly among fans of K-pop culture.
Now let's talk about the social linguistic aspect of the sample that we've collected. Wonyoung's delivery of advertisement lines highlight unique social linguistic element based on regional variances. She speaks English with a distinctive accent that retains a hint of her Korean roots. This creates a soft, recognizable Korean English accent, distinguishing her from many other Asians who speak English with pronounced native accent.
The fifth example is Domina Pizza. Emergency pizza video advertisement. From a pragmatics, the Domino Pizza advertisement illustrates that you can receive free emergency pizza. However, it has a deeper meaning word emphasizing the free emergency pizza is available only if you order through the Domino Pizza application. This means you can obtain the free emergency pizza in the future, but only after making your first purchase. While the advertisement may seem intriguing at a glance, it is important to understand it more thoroughly to avoid any potential misunderstanding or misinterpretation.
Okay, next is semiotics. The video advertisement for Domino Pizza feature several people experiencing a range of unfortunate events that prevent them from preparing a meal, such as burning food in the oven or a daughter causing a mission. In this context, Domino Pizza's emergency pizza is portrayed as a savior in these unexpected situations. With just one click, individuals can order their free pizza, which will be delivered promptly when hunger strikes.
Now let's back to the social linguistic aspect again. The term emergency pizza introduces a new concept, reflects a social linguistic aspect. Many Americans interpret it literally as a solution for urgent occasion when they need pizza. In contrast, Europeans and East Asians view it more as a benefit of receiving free pizza by ordering online. This creates a regional variance in how the concept is understood and appreciated.
The conclusion of our research is the findings indicate that language plays a strategic role in enhancing the effectiveness of advertisements in the digital era. The analysis revealed that advertisements employ linguistic strategies to influence consumer behavior, such as evoking emotions, increasing brand awareness, and building consumer relationships. Visual and verbal symbols convey product meaning and value, including colors, images, and slogans.
Moreover, language and dialect reflect social and cultural identities, influencing consumer perception of products and brands. The study's implication also suggests that effective language use enhances marketing campaign effectiveness and that cultural and social context understanding is crucial for creating relevant advertisements. Further research can improve marketers' understanding of language's role in digital marketing strategies.
Therefore, advertisers should consider linguistic and cultural factors when creating effective advertisement, developing linguistically grounded marketing strategies, and expanding this research by analyzing more advertisement can also enhance campaign effectiveness. And then thank you for watching this video. Enjoy this video and bye bye.